Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for Toyota's 2007 to 2021 Tundra. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Jack up the truck and support it with jack stands. Unbolt the transmission from the transmission support mount on top of the crossmember, then use a jack to lift the transmission slightly away from the mount. Move any brake or fuel lines out of the work area. Step 3. Unbolt the factory transmission crossmember. If the bolts are rusted in place or rounded off, cut them out. Take care not to damage the crossmember mounts or the transmission mount. Once the crossmember is removed, unbolt the transmission mount from it and save it for reinstallation. Step 4. Grind the crossmember mounts clean and straighten any bends or damage that could interfere with installation. Spray any bare metal with rust inhibitor. Step 5. Paint the part with rust-inhibiting top coat prior to installation. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Step 6. Slide the replacement crossmember into the mounts and align it with the factory bolt holes. Step 7. Install the crossmember to the mounts using the M12 hardware. The M12 bolts use a 19mm socket and the M12 nuts use an 18mm wrench. Step 8. Install the transmission mount to the crossmember using the M10 hardware with a 14mm socket. Finally, lower the transmission and bolt it back to the mount. Reinstall any brake or fuel lines that were moved.